Hi everyone and welcome back to the Oh So and So. Alright, so I'm working on the steps. I had the trees next to the soldiers. Or I think they're the soldiers. I don't know. But it came out into the steps too far. So I had to take the Crocs off and put the little trees, and then I had to find another little tree, and I only had 4 of these, and of course I have to have 5. So there's another trip to Walmart. And I was just trying to think, okay, if I could get my trees out and get them placed where I wanted, and then get the furniture arranged, then start to pull out. So let me show you where some of the other trees are going. So hold on. Okay, so this is at the back door and this is the eating area. So I have a tree there. Of course, I'm working on the lights. And then I have a tree that is going to go beside the mantle, but I've got to take that table out. And then here is another tree. So that's a lot of trees in one visual area, but I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna look good. Alrighty. So now let's go down the hall. All right, that tree goes in the corner bedroom, but as you can see, there's no way I can get it in there. So it's going to stay there for just a little while. And then I have a tree in the toy room. My question to you guys today is, do you like to put it in front of a window, no matter where you put your tree? And then this is the master. I got the tree over there. Now, I had picked all these out and I labeled them to their size and shape. That's what I did before I put them in the bags. So, but now, I'm thinking, since I'm getting the majority of them placed, could I, okay, so now I'm thinking about, should I bring the stuff that goes on each tree in that area so it'll free up the majority of the stuff in that corner bedroom? And believe it or not, there's a lot of it that I'm not going to use this year. Some of the themes that I've had in the past, I'm not going to use it. So I think this might be easier. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean everything up except for the trees. And then I'll start from there. Let's hope this works. I don't know how you guys do it. I know that there's got to be an easier way to decorate than the way I'm doing it. But I think this might work. Let's see if it does. Hold on. Okay, so I've been putting stuff up, and I thought I'd show you some of the stuff I got at the thrift store the other day. Look, and this says USA on the bottom, but I got it for half price. I don't know, it had to do with something with glassware. Books, they're always 10 cents, and I got some more baseballs and softballs. They're $1.25 a piece. Plus, I got this basket. Now this basket, I got it for $3. But let me show you some of the details about this basket. Let me sit it down. And Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so this is an oak basket. And look at the nails. This was a good basket. And look what I found. Look how great that is. Somebody homemade this one. I got it for $3. What a perfect riser for in the middle of a table. Okay, so I'm getting distracted. Let me start separating the things that go on the tree, because I think that's going to make it easier for me. I don't know how it is for you guys. I would love to know how you do your trees. Do you organize it like that, or do you just, you know, grab it out of a bin and put it on, or do you separate it by the trees? Alrighty. I'm rambling. I get squirrel-eyed so easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start in that room, and I'm going to place it in the rooms where it goes. I think it's going to be a lot easier. So let's see how this works. Well, this is about 5 hours later, and I've really got a mess. But I'm telling you one thing, I just don't think I need any more Christmas. Let me turn this camera around so you can see. Okay, so that stuff is going to go in the eating area and the kitchen. And we definitely have Santa Land here. I did not realize how much Santas that I do have. And I also had them in suitcases, bins. I have new, old, handmade, and then we've got these vintage boxes with ornaments. Okay, so the nice thing about the toy room, I didn't pull out too much, but it is dark in here. You can tell the time's changing. I kind of like the desk there, but then I'm thinking maybe I should move the tree. I don't know, guys. But the corner room looks a whole lot better. I can walk in it. I even got the tree in it. I kind of went through everything. And the things that I believe I'm not going to use right now are in here. I think I'll be using the pillows. And of course the greenery, the deer. But there's a lot of this I'm not going to use. I have angels. I have snowmen. I have more Santa stuff. I got everything together in my bedroom. It's a secret. And I'll definitely be putting some stuff in my laundry room. At my house, every day is laundry day. Alrighty, so, and I know I've got more stockings. I don't know where they are. I had to look for some of the other stuff And then I was taking these records out. And I'm like, well, that works kind of good there. Just, I wish I had a little record player. I would love to hear some of this music. Look. Now, I got some of these in Florida. I think they were 99 cents. That was an awesome price. But look at that. How pretty is that? Even if you just found this part and it didn't have the record in it, it would be so pretty to frame. I don't even know what all is on here. But anyway, alrighty, so I took a little break, and then I wanted to get all my little shoes out. And I just put another Santa there. Now, I wonder how old that candy is. Oh, me. Alrighty, guys. I am working on cleaning up this house. I definitely gathered my plaid stuff, but I'm thinking I might have a little bit more plaid stuff than I can use. Alrighty, so of course, as always, I've set my glasses down somewhere in the midst of all this clutter. So I'm doing dishes and of course laundry, trying to keep up, and then I've got to start dinner here soon. I don't know. Time's gonna change here a little bit, and I'm not sure if I'm ready for it. Well, guys, I hope you stay tuned. I got a lot of Christmas to put out, and it's definitely gonna be like a puzzle here. And that's not counting the stuff that I would like to do out on that deck. I won't put a whole lot out on the front little porch, but I got plans for the back deck. I just got to get it out of the garage. Well, I'm got some more dishes to wash. We're making meatloaf tonight. My husband had a tooth removed, and I can't make anything hard. Alrighty, have an awesome day, guys. Thank you so much for watching this so-and-so piddle around the house. Until next time, bye.